Hello, everyone. This is Timothy Conerson. I want to welcome you to my Patreon page where you can get quick academic lessons from some of the best primary sources in the country and in the world. Um, Use this page to help you to supplement and to actually educate you now that schools are being done from the home. You're no longer restricted to a building and a classroom. You are going to need materials and platforms and spaces like my Patreon page. You can do that. You will also get mental health essays on the platform. And I believe that's my second tier. On the third tier, I also create digital posters that you can use for clothes, posters, signs, whatever the case may be. And I will also give and share some of my fiction, some of my original screenplays if you are a producer or a director. So this platform covers um, many different areas that can help you moving forward. As more decisions are put into our hands, we are going to need um, this platform, and I hope that you use it and platforms like it to improve our lives, to actually even function and survive. So I'm excited about it, and I hope that you have as much fun with it and is as beneficial to you as it is to me to maintain it. Take care of yourselves, be safe, improve your mind, improve your body, and let's see if we can make it through the 21st century.